Dear America, can we still be the land of the free and brave?
Alright, so we got some police activity. This officer obviously knows who I am. But we're gonna go ahead and see why they're arresting this guy. You too.
Yeah. That's the cool stuff right there.
Damn.
Hey, get down!
What's up, dog? Hey, Aussie Audits.
Huh?
Aussie Audits. See if he's wearing a seatbelt. Seatbelt! Seatbelt! Alright, met the officer before. I wanted to come up masked up on this one. Mostly because I'm always in the area doing my videos up and down here, so. But yeah, he arrested the guy. I should have asked him why he's being arrested, but it's not like they're gonna give me an answer anyways. But freedom of speech lets me ask certain questions to anybody as long as it's not in you know, a certain type of way where it's you know, inappropriate and stuff like that. All right, short video on this one, guys. There's another officer over here. Maybe he was gonna be backup, but I mean, the other officer, you know, might have stayed longer if I wasn't, you know, around. But who's to say? I know that most officers, if they know they're being recorded, they're gonna go ahead and take off. So there we go. You have it, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe. If you can, donate to my Cash App. I know I don't be putting my my link on my description. So sometimes I just forget and I just don't do it. But try to donate, guys. I know it's in my description like all the time. So if it's not on my video, then it's in the description. Ring that notification bell. Thanks for all my subscribers. You guys are a blessing. And yeah, Aussie Audits, I'm out.